Brown sugar glazed salmon, potatoes, and broccoli in no time at all. To start this off, let's season our food. We're gonna start with the salmon. We're gonna oil it on all sides and then season it with salt and pepper on the flesh sides only. After that, let's get on to our potatoes. Today I used a lemon basil vinaigrette dressing. You can make your own or you can use something that's already pre-made. I then seasoned them with salt and pepper. Lastly, we have our broccoli. Simple once again, oil, salt, and pepper. Now that it's all seasoned up, let's get to the grill. We have our grill preheated to about 500 degrees direct heat. All of our burners are turned on. We're gonna use the tongs and place these potatoes. See that beautiful sizzle? That's what you wanna see. Tongs are perfect for placing food on the grill because it leaves that little bit of leftover oil on the bottom, reduces flare-ups when we're placing that food. We're gonna wait now about 2 minutes before we put our salmon on. Now that we've got some time on our potatoes, it's time to put our salmon on the grill. We're gonna place it skin side down. The skin is actually gonna give us a little bit of a buffer. You know, fish has a high tendency sometimes to stick to the grill if you cook it flesh side down and try to do a flip, and sometimes people wreck it. I like to put it straight on the skin. It gives it a little bit of buffer. Sometimes you get a beautiful crispy skin that you can eat, and other times you just scoop that fish right off of that skin and it's just perfect to eat. Now time for our broccoli. We're gonna stir the potatoes a little bit before we put these on. We're gonna move the potatoes to the back half of that grill pan to open up some space for our broccoli. We're just gonna let that salmon sit. We're not flipping it. We're just gonna let it sit on that skin and keep cooking. Now that we got some color on our fish, it's time to get to glazing. I like my salmon at about 140 to 145 degrees. Anytime you're gonna glaze something though, you cook it a little bit less, knowing that it's gonna be on there for that extra minute or so as this glaze kind of sets and liquefies. I'm gonna glaze the fish one time and let it set. We're gonna let that glaze set now for about a minute. We've hit that 16-minute mark. Now it's time to get our food off that grill. We're gonna start with the broccoli. We're gonna place it into this mixing bowl to finish it up in a minute. Then we're gonna take our potatoes off, finish it up with our salmon, and now we're heading back to that broccoli. We're gonna put a little bit of this beautiful brown butter into our bowl. We're gonna hit some little bit of charred lemon juice. We're gonna toss that together, and we're gonna put that on the plate as well. And lastly, we're gonna finish up these potatoes with a little bit of parsley. Easy enough. All this food was cooked in under 20 minutes. My favorite part of any cook is digging in at the end. We have the beautiful flakiness of the salmon combined with this brown sugar glaze. That sweetness is so good. The salmon has got such great flavor. These potatoes got that beautiful crisp coming off that grill pan. Same thing for this broccoli. The grill just adds such beautiful flavor to the food. We have dinner for the whole family in no time at all. If you're looking for the recipe or the shoppable link, check out the description below. I'm Dustin. We'll catch you next time.